Get your glow on today with the Prisme Libre Skin Caring Glow Foundation by Givenchy. It is not only alcohol and silicone free, but it is also said to have 97% natural origin ingredients such as nasturtium extract, which provides 12 hours of glow, glycerin from plants that provides 24 hours of hydration, and coconut oil which comforts the skin. Hi, my name is Minimiser and I make beauty related videos just like this one, so if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to be a part of my Sass fam. This foundation comes in all these 30 beautiful shades, and I got the shade 3N250 or 3 Neutral 250, and in terms of consistency, she's runny like water. Now I'm going to apply this foundation with a brush and then buff it out with a beauty blender to hide Mr. Pimple over here. But if you want a sheer translucent finish, they suggest applying the foundation with your fingers. So this is what one layer of the foundation looks like, and nothing on this side. Even with the brush, I'd say it's more of a sheer finish. For this side, I'll apply a primer before applying the foundation. You can definitely see the radiant finish of this foundation in just one layer. It has sheer coverage just like the Fenty Beauty skin tint that I reviewed 2 weeks ago, but unlike the skin tint, it does nothing to blur out my pores, and also I don't think it did anything to cancel my under eye circles or the blemishes on my nose, but it did however cancel some of the redness around Mr. Pimple over here. And I have this foundation on for like 30 seconds now, and it has absorbed in nicely and it doesn't feel tacky or anything. So I'll go in with another layer because they do say that it is buildable. And my beauty tip for you today is that whenever you're using a foundation that says that it has buildable coverage, always start with a little bit of the foundation, especially if it is a foundation or a brand that you have never tried before, because what this does is it allows your skin room to properly react to a thinner layer of the foundation versus if you just pack it on, because then you might just look cakey. And if you think you need more, you can always apply another thinner layer, but just wait like 10 to 15 seconds, or in my case 30 seconds, to give your skin that breathing room between the layers. And this is what 2 layers look like. No creasing under my eyes, looks more like a light coverage foundation now, but I feel like it's emphasizing my pores because of the radiant finish. I'm applying a third layer to see if I can get medium coverage. Feels lightweight, still no creasing, and definitely medium coverage now. Apart from having buildable coverage and a radiant finish, it also says that it is a 12-hour long wearing foundation that gives 12 hours of glow and 24 hours of hydration. So I'll check back in after a couple of hours to see how the foundation is holding up. Couple of hours later, and they were definitely not joking about the glow because my face sure is glowing. And looking up close, unfortunately, I'm already noticing caking and creasing around my smile lines. So it's been 12 hours since I applied the foundation, and I've definitely gotten a lot more shinier than my last check-in. And then looking up close, the creasing and caking has gotten worse around my smile lines, and I'm noticing a slight bit of creasing under my eyes as well. My fan thoughts on the Prisme Libre Skin Caring Glow Foundation is that for 60 Canadian dollars plus tax, I'm not going to be recommending it, and in terms of ratings, I'm giving it 2 stars because according to Givenchy's website, it does give 12 hours of glow, 24 hours of hydration. It has buildable coverage and it is breathable and comfortable, but as you saw, it definitely doesn't provide 12 hours of correcting finish for a natural blurry effect, and it's also not a 12-hour wear foundation because again, as you saw, it creased around my smile lines just after 2 hours. This foundation is also not transfer proof, as you can see on my mask, and it oxidized, which just means that it turned a shade or 2 darker, kind of like how an apple oxidizes and turns brown after it's been sitting for a while. If you want a more affordable option for a light coverage foundation that still gives you that natural healthy glow, then click here to check out my review on the Essence Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation, or click here to check out the LYS Beauty Triple Fix Serum Foundation, and I'll see you there. Also, don't forget to smash smash the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to be a part of my Sass fam.